So frequently asked question number 2 was how to perform a test, and this is frequently asked question number 3, how to interpret the results. Well, as you can see, we have 3 great graphs here, and then on top of that, you could see how consistent they are by looking at the comparison of the pre-fire. All 3 were similar in all 3 tests, and then the fire. Again, all 3 were very similar in all 3 tests again. So next we're going to go to the results tab, and let's interpret the results. So we'll click on the results, and here we have the patient score. The patient score is 151, which is slightly in the hypo range. Now the gold range is the cautionary range, okay? And then the green range is optimal. The red range is hyper on the bottom, and then obviously in the top part, it's hypo. One final part is once you're done performing your ThyroFlex test and interpreting the results, you then could click on Done, and it takes you squarely back to the screen with the image of the body. Now, if you want to perform a new test, you simply then select the physician, you then select the patient, and if it's someone that's already been tested before, it'll be in your database, or if it's someone that's new, you just simply click on New Patient and go through the steps again. Once we get to this part, you then simply fill in the patient's name. For time's sake, we'll just put 1. You then hit Tab. You're going to put in their date of birth. You just simply hit Tab to go from each, whether they're male or female, their height in inches or centimeters, their weight, and then if they're on any thyroid medication. This does not affect the results of the test, but it's good for your records and purposes if you're going to print out a results page for the patient. You then put in their symptom score from the symptom survey that you had the patient fill out. For time's sake, we'll go through each one of these just as one. And then you hit Run Test, and then your graphs are ready. And once you have the patient prepped, you're ready to do your ThyroFlex test once again.